Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right into how to use UPBASE for academic course management. First things first, you need to log into UPBASE. Once you're in, go straight to Courses in the main menu. This is a critical step because it's where you'll find all your courses and manage them effectively. Now that we've done that, let's add a new course. You'll see a green Add Course button on your screen. Click on it and fill in the necessary information such as course title, description, start and end dates, among other details. The reason we do this is to ensure that every detail about our course is stored and organized in one place. Next up, let's add students to our course. Go back to the main course page and locate your newly created course. Click on it and select Add Students. Here, you can either add students one by their email addresses or bulk import a list of students. This helps us because it saves time and simplifies the process of student enrollment. Once the students are added, we can now assign tasks and homework. Click on Assignments under your course. Then Add Assignment. Fill in the details and set the due date. This is important because it keeps students informed about their tasks and deadlines. Now, let's move to grading. After an assignment is submitted, you can view them under Assignments, then View Submissions. You can grade them right there, and students will be notified immediately. This is crucial as it enhances transparency and instant communication between you and your students. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is organizing, simplifying, and streamlining your course management process in real time. It's saving your precious time and effort and making academic course management a breeze. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide on how to use UPBASE for academic course management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.